So in today's session, in today's session, we are going to discuss about the email templates. We'll see what exactly an email template, what is the use, why do we need to prepare an email template, and how to prepare the email templates in Salesforce, and how to send the email notifications to the users with the help of these email templates. We'll see practically. And upon preparing that email templates, we have the multiple types of email templates are available. We'll see each and every email template type. And then how can we make that email subject and the content static and the dynamic, we'll see. And how to use these email templates to send the email notification automatically to the people with the help of these workflow rules. Okay. Now, so let's start with the email templates. So email templates are also called as communication templates in Salesforce. Okay, these are also called as communication templates. Now, so first of all, you have to understand what exactly an email template and what it contains. Now, for example, assume that I have an organization. So as part of my organization, we are having so many customers who are utilizing my products. We are having few partners also. We are having some employees. We are having some end users also. We have so many people are available inside my organization. We have few customers, partners, employees, end users, all the people are available as part of my organization. Now, whenever if you want to communicate with these people, how can we communicate? How to communicate with these people here? Do I need to make a call to the people? No. Why? Because if I'm having some 10 people or 100 people maximum inside my organization, then I can make a call to each and every person to have some discussion, to have some conversation. Manually, we can able to make a call to each and every person by spending some time. It may be 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever. Suppose if the number of customers count is keep on increased, because if you're having some thousands of customers or millions of customers or hundreds of partners, thousands of end users, at that time, making a call to each and every person is very, very difficult. We can't communicate with the people over the phone because making a call to each and every person is very, very difficult. It's a time-consuming process also. For that one, instead of communicating with the people over the phone, I would like to communicate with the people by sending some email notifications. I would like to communicate with the people by sending some email notification. I would like to prepare an email notification with the required subject, with the required content, and I would like to send those email notifications to the required people. For that one, in order to send the email notification, whatever the subject, whatever the content you want to deliver to the recipient people, that subject and the content we can able to prepare inside a template or inside a draft that is also called as email templates. Email template is nothing but a format. That means it's a draft which contains the subject of the email, which contains the content of the email, which you would like to deliver. To whom you want to deliver this email notification, that you can decide at runtime. Okay, at runtime, we can decide to whom you want to deliver. But what subject, what content you want to send to the people, that we can able to place inside a draft or inside a template or inside a format. That format is called as email templates. Okay. So the email template is nothing but a draft which contains the email subject and the email content to be get delivered to one or more recipients. To whom you want to send? we can able to decide that. Like as it may be to the partners also, customers also, end users also, employees also, to whom you want to send, we can specify that information. We can send that email notification from Salesforce. Now, so now in this case here, now can you give me some scenarios or can you give me some examples so where exactly we can use these kind of the email notifications to the people? Okay. For example, come to a general scenario. Assume that I'm using that banking system. I'm using a banking system. So now whenever a customer is depositing some money, okay, whenever the customer has deposited the money, then how the customer will get the confirmation that amount has been credited successfully or debited successfully? How can we send? By sending some email notification, by sending some SMS notification also. That means whenever you are depositing some money or whenever you are withdrawing some money, immediately the customer will be receiving that notification. Dear customer, your account number ending with some 1234 has been credited with so and so amount, and this is the net available balance. It will be sending the confirmation to that customer regarding a bank transaction. It may be deposit, it may be withdraw also. Now, for example, so when coming to my organization, we are having so many customers. They're utilizing my products. Today, a customer is facing some problem with the product. Okay. Today, one of a customer is facing some problem with the product. So immediately, the customer has made a call to the customer care center. He has raised a complaint here. Okay, has raised a complaint. Now, as soon as the case has been getting registered, how the customer will know that his case has been registered successfully? We need to send some confirmation back to the customer, right? Like, dear customer, your case has been registered successfully. This is the case number. This is the case status. One of our service person will contact you shortly. So I want to send some message over. So at that time, I would like to send an email notification over here. Okay. So now for that one, we can able to specify. We can prepare an email template which is used to send a notification to the customers upon raising a complaint. Now, for example, assume that I'm having my organization. In my organization, we are having so many customers are available. Today, some of the customers' birthday is there. Okay. Today, some of the customers' birthday is there. So as per my company policy, always I should be in touch with the customer here. So that whenever, if any of the customers' birthday is available today, I want to send a greeting card. Okay. I want to send a greeting card to the customer here regarding his birthday. I want to send some wishes to the customer over here. Because so that here I would like to be in touch with the customer over here always. I would like to maintain a proper association. I would like to maintain a proper relationship with my customer. For that one, I would like to send a greeting card to my customer on the occasion of his birthday. Okay. Now, for example, today the customers are celebrating a festival. Okay. Today customers are celebrating a festival. Because of that festival, I want to send some wishes. Okay. I want to send some wishes over here by sending some email notification, because I'm having some thousands of customers or millions of customers who are utilizing the products. At that time, making the call to each and every person is difficult to give some wishes. So that I want to prepare one email notification. I want to send the notifications to all the customers' email IDs. Now, for example, today is a new year. On the occasion of the new year, I want to send some wishes to all the people. They may be my customers, partners, end users, employees, everybody. Because here, it's not belongs to a specific community. This will be common to all the people. So that I want to send the email notification to all the people over here. There may be customers also, or partners also, end users also, and the employees also. For all the people, I want to send some new year wishes by attaching a greeting card also in this case. Now, like that here, whenever, because of some occasions, whenever the customer is performing any transaction, whenever the customer is raising any complaint, or regarding some festival season, regarding the birthday of the customers, or the birthday of the partners also, or it may be because of a new year also, we can able to send some notification to the people with the help of email templates. By using that email template, we can prepare a draft. Okay, we can prepare a template which will be having the email subject and the content to be get delivered to the people over here. So, what subject you want to deliver to the people, what content you want to deliver to the people, we can specify both the email subject and the content inside a template that is called as email template. Those email templates are also called as communication templates in Salesforce. Okay. Now, so in this case, by using these email templates, what we can do, we can send the email notifications to the required people with the required subject, with the required content. Depends upon some occasions. Okay, depends upon the occasion. We can send some email notification to the people with the required subject and the content by using that email templates. That means from Salesforce to outside, we can send the email notification to the customer's email ID or to the partner's email ID or to my employee's email ID. I would like to send some email notification to the people over here. At that time, we are using that feature called as email templates. Okay. So now by using this email template, we can prepare a draft, we can prepare a template which contains the subject and the content to be get delivered to the recipient people. Okay. Now, so in this case, on the occasion of the deposit, there is a different subject, different content. On the occasion of raising a new case, a different subject, different content. On the occasion of the customer's birthday, different subject, different email content. On the occasion of the new year, a different subject, different content I want to deliver. So that multiple templates also we can able to prepare. Okay, multiple email templates also we can able to prepare. Okay, inside your organization, there is no limitations available here. Okay, now, so now here in this case here, by using these email templates, we can prepare one or more email templates to be used to send the notifications to the people. Okay, depends upon the occasion, we can send the email notifications to the people with the help of these email templates. So that not only one email template we can prepare, multiple email templates also. That possibility is available inside an organization. Okay, now, in this case, whatever the email templates you are going to prepare, okay, whatever the email templates you are going to prepare, all the email templates will be getting resides inside an object called as email template object. All the email templates information will be getting resides inside an object called as email template object. Like all the account records are storing in account object. Lead records are storing in lead object. Case records are storing in case object. User records are storing in user object. Like the similar way, all the email templates information will be storing inside an object called as email template. Email template is a standard object in which all the email templates information will be getting resides. Whatever the email templates you have configured, all those email templates information will be storing inside an object called as email template object in Salesforce. Okay? Now here in this case, you can raise the question, sir, how can we send this email notification to the people? Generally, whenever if you want to send the email notification to the people, we need SMTP service. Okay? We need SMTP server. Simple mail transmission protocol. By using this simple mail transmission protocol, then only we can send the email notification to the people. But in Salesforce, no need to configure any such transmission protocols here. Email servers are already configured for you. Okay? Email servers are already configured for you. Generally, we have to configure this SMTP server to send the email notifications, to receive the email notifications. But in Salesforce, no need to configure any settings. No need to enable any settings because by default, email servers are already configured for you in every Salesforce.com organization. In every Salesforce organization, email servers are already configured for you. Just you have to specify what subject you want to deliver, what content you want to deliver, to whom you want to deliver. That's it. No need to enable any setting, no need to disable any settings. These are already configured for you by default inside your organization. So that here, whenever I'm going to be sending the email notifications, no need to configure any settings. Directly we can specify the subject and the content and the recipient people's email ID to whom you want to deliver the email notification templates. Okay? Now, in this case, all the email templates information will be getting resides inside that email template object over here. Okay? Email template object. Now, Whenever we are sending this email templates over here. Now, in this case, I'm having some multiple email templates are available. Like for example, come to a general scenario. Assume that I'm having my Salesforce.com organization. I'm having my Salesforce.com organization. So now in my organization, we are having so many applications are available. Okay, we have so many applications are available. Like some sales application, service, marketing, content, charter, and my custom application, some story pulse, and some online banking, and then insurance processing, okay, insurance application. Like that, so many applications are available inside my organization. Assume that these are the various custom applications we have built. We have built so many applications are available inside my organization. These are the various applications are available. So now whenever I'm going to selling out a product to the customer, okay, whenever I'm selling out a product to the customer, I'm sending some email notifications also. For that one here, I'm preparing one template here. For example, as part of this sales application, okay, as part of the sales application, I'm using some email templates here. Like whenever the customer showed interest, okay, whenever a customer showed interest, then I would like to send the email notification. For that one, for example, I'm using the template one, email template one. Now, whenever the customer has purchased the product, then I want to send the notification. Okay, dear customer, thanks for purchasing our product over here. And then from now onwards, you are also one of our valuable customer to our organization. In future, if you are facing any problem, then please contact on this address. I want to send one notification over here. For that one, I'm preparing one more template here. Template 2. Okay, template 2. So now after that here, in order to notify to the customer, to collect some feedback from the customer regarding the product, I'm using one more template over here. Template 3. Whenever I'm going to be launching some new products, then at that time, we are preparing one more template here. Template 4. Okay, I'm using the template. So these are the various templates I'm using as part of that application sales. For example, these are the 4 email templates I'm using as part of my sales application. Now, come to my online banking application. Assume that we have prepared a banking application here. Today, whenever a customer has opened a new bank account, I want to send an email notification and the SMS notification to the customer. So now, dear customer, thanks for started utilizing our services. From now onwards, you are also one of our valuable customer to our bank. Okay. So now, in this case, here they are giving some information. So that here I would like to use the template 1. Now, from there onwards, as soon as whenever the customer has deposited the money, I want to send some notification. For that one, I'm using template 2. Today, the customer has withdrawn some money over here. At that time, also I want to send the confirmation back. For that one, I'm using that confirmation message by sending that notification with the help of template 3. Today, customer is going to be raising for a loan application form. So that here, to send that, as soon as the loan application has been raised, then I want to send a notification to the customer. So now, dear customer, thanks for raising your loan application form. This is your loan application number ID is available here. So now, please contact our loan department on this so contact number to get the status of your loan application process. For that one, I want to send a notification by using the template 4. And then today, the customer has been raised for a credit card application. He would like to get a new credit card. For that one, I want to send the notification. So that here template 5. Like that here we are using so many templates over here. As part of my online banking application, to send the notification to the people, we are preparing so many templates here. But all these templates are going to be storing where all these email templates will be getting resides inside an object called as email template object. Whatever the email templates you have configured, all these email templates will be storing inside an object called as email template object. So now that email templates maybe belongs to sales application also, online banking also, insurance also, marketing also, service also, whatever. All the email templates will be getting storing inside an object called as email template object. Now, in this case, from these email templates available inside the object, how can we differentiate? These are the email templates which are using inside the sales application. These are the email templates which we are using inside the insurance application. These are the email templates which we are using inside my story pulse application. These are the email templates which are using in my service application. How can we differentiate that? How can we differentiate that? What we can do now? Do I need to maintain a separate object? No. All the email templates will be storing inside that email template object only. In this case, when coming to the Salesforce, in order to store these email templates, if you want to differentiate, these are the email templates which are using by the sales application. These are the email templates which are using by the online banking application. To differentiate that email templates, Salesforce is providing a feature called as folders. Okay, folders. Okay, folders. So now here we can able to have the folders over here. That means each and every email template has to be get reside inside in email folder. Okay, each and every email template has to be get resides inside a email folder over here. Like for example, come to a general scenario. Assume that I'm having my personal PC. In my PC, I'm having some 3 drives are available here. C drive, D drive, E drive. Okay. So these are the 3 drives are available over here. Now, so in this case, the entire space, that means it may be 500 GB of hard disk, it may be 200 GB of hard disk, it may be 1 terabyte of hard disk also. The whole space has been divided into the 3 parts over here. These are called as 3 drives are available. Now, the C drive generally we are using for the software installation. D drive, for example, I'm using for my personal data. Okay. In order to store my personal data, I would like to use this D drive over here. Now, today I have collected some songs files, nothing but some MP3 files. Okay. I have collected some songs information over here. Now I would like to store this songs information inside my D drive over here. What we can do? In this case, inside the D drive, I am going to be creating a folder called as songs. Okay. So now directly can I place all the songs files inside this songs folder? No. I am creating some subfolders also over here. Like as I would like to specify Telugu songs. I am creating one separate folder. And then some Hindi songs. I am creating another folder. And then English songs. I am creating a separate folder over here. So now I am creating subfolders. Telugu songs, Hindi songs, and the English songs. Now today I have copied some Telugu songs over here. Then I will go to the Telugu songs folder. Now this folder I am going to subcategorizing over here. I am creating the 2 folders again over here. Old songs and then the new songs. Now today I have collected some latest songs here from the recently released movie. So I will go to that new songs folder. I am going to placing that movie name, like some movie name, some ABC. I am creating a folder with the name ABC. Inside this folder ABC, I am going to placing that the movie files. Nothing but the songs file, nothing but MP3 files over here. So MP3 files I am going to placing inside this. That means what here? Why we are going to be creating this many number of folders? What is the purpose? Easy to identify. That means for our convenience. Okay, for our convenience, we are going to be creating this many number of folders. Suppose after some time, after 1 year also, if you want to play that so-and-so movie like songs, then at that time, directly go to that songs folder, go to the Telugu songs, new songs, there is a movie name is available, play the songs over here very easily. That means here for our convenience, we are going to be arranging very easily. If you are placing all the songs information inside a single folder, then how can we recognize this song is belongs to so-and-so movie, this song is belongs to so-and-so movie? How can we recognize? It will be very difficult. For that one here also, whatever the email template that you are creating, all the email templates will be storing inside that email template object only. But now I would like to differentiate. Because your email template object contains the email templates information which you are utilizing by sales application, service application related email templates, content application related email templates, your custom object application related email templates, everything will be storing inside that same object itself. But now what I want to do, I want to differentiate that. For that one, we are going to be using that folders. Okay. So now in this case, when coming to that folders, we are having the two types of folders are available in Salesforce. Okay. We have two types of folders are available. Folders are used to differentiate the email templates. In order to differentiate the email templates based on the application name, or based on the module name, based on the department name, based on the division name, also we can able to segregate that. That means application specific email templates we can able to place inside that folder, or module specific email templates, or department specific email templates, or division specific email templates we can able to place. Like that here, depends upon your requirement, we can able to have the multiple folders also. Like as here we are creating so many folders, like the similar way we can create the folders also inside our Salesforce instance in order to segregate that email templates over here. All the sales application related email templates inside a separate folder. And then online banking application related email templates in a separate folder. Insurance application related email templates in a separate folder. Service application related email templates in a separate folder. Like that we can able to segregate. For that one we can able to have your own folders also. When coming to the folders, folders are used to segregate the email template depends upon your requirement. In this case, as part of this email folders, we are having two types of folders are available in Salesforce. As part of email folders, we have two types are available. First one is standard folders. These are also called as standard email template folders. Second one is the custom email templates folder. Standard email templates folder. Second one is custom email templates folder. Then what do you mean by this standard email templates folder in the sense what? These are the standard folders which has been given by Salesforce. Standard folder means what? Ready-made folders which has been given by Salesforce over here. By default, Salesforce has given some set of ready-made folders to you in which we can able to store your email templates. Okay? By default, Salesforce has given some ready-made folders over here. These are the ready-made folders which has been given by Salesforce by default over here in which you can store your email templates. Then what ready-made folders has been given by Salesforce? Salesforce has given two ready-made folders to you. First one is unfiled classic public email templates. Unfiled classic public email templates folder. Second one is my personal email templates folder. Okay, my personal email templates folder. These are the two standard folders has been given by Salesforce by default in order to segregate that email templates. So whenever we are going to be creating an email template, every email template should be storing inside a folder. Okay, every email template has to be get reside inside a folder. At that time, you can choose whether you would like to store that email template in the standard folders or you want to create your own folder. You want to maintain your own application specific folder or module specific folder, department specific folder or the division specific folder which you would like to maintain. So depends upon your requirement, we can able to have your own folders also. That possibility is available. So now here in this case, when coming to that standard folders, Salesforce has given two folders by default. Unfiled classic public email templates folder. Second one is my personal email templates folder. Then what do you mean by unfiled classic public email templates folder? This is a public folder which has been given by Salesforce. This is a public folder which has been given by Salesforce by default. So now, for example, if it is a public folder, inside that folder, if I'm placing one email template inside that, then who are all the people who can access this email template? Only few people or all the people? All the people, because it is a public folder. So that whatever the email templates you are placing inside this, the unfiled classic public email templates folder, those email templates can be accessible by all the users within your organization. Everybody can access because it's a public folder over here. Okay, it's a public folder, so everybody is having the access on that folder. So everybody can able to access the email template which is available inside this folder. Okay, now this is a public folder which can be accessible by all the users inside the organization. So it is a public folder which can be accessible by all the users inside the organization. The second one, my personal email templates folder. That means sometimes I'm preparing some email templates which I'm using for my personal use. It's not for any of the application. For my personal use, to send some notifications to my friends or to colleagues, okay, to other people, I would like to prepare one email template. So now those email templates, I don't want to make it visible to other people. Only myself can use that email templates here. So now some email templates, I want to make it for my personal use. Only myself can use that. Other people can't use that email templates. In this case, we can able to use a folder called as my personal email templates folder. That means at that time, only the owner of that email template can be accessible. The other people will not be able to access over here. Okay. Whatever the email templates you have stored inside this my personal email templates folder, then only the owner of that email template will be able to access that record here, not the other people over here. Now, only the template owner will have the access to the email template. Other users inside the organization will not be able to access the email templates. So whatever the other people are available inside my organization, those people may not be able to access that email templates available inside my personal folder. That means this can be accessible only by myself, not the other people. Now, if I am placing that email template inside the unfiled public classic email template folder, then this can be accessible by every user inside the organization. Because it is a public folder, whatever the email templates I am placing inside this folder, everybody can able to access that. Not only myself, every user inside the organization will be able to access it. So that in order to differentiate that, in order to indicate the scope of that email template, up to what level can be utilized, it may be utilized by the only of the owner of the record or all the users inside the organization. At that time, we can able to go with that either unfiled, the classic public email templates folder, or it may be my personal email templates folder also. Okay, these are the two standard email templates folders has been given by Salesforce by default. Now, sometimes you can raise a question, sir, I don't want to use these two. I want to create some folders by my own. Because we have created so many custom applications, like some story pulse application, online banking application, insurance application, like there are so many applications we have created. I want to create some folder specific to that application itself. Do we have that possibility? Yes. We can create our own folders also, so that the developer or the administrator, they can create their own custom folders also. Okay. The developer or the administrator can create their own email templates folders. The Salesforce developer or the Salesforce administrator can create their own email template folders. In that email template folder, they can store. Like for example, sales templates folder. Insurance templates folder. Banking templates folder. service templates folder. Like that, we can create your own folders also, depends upon your requirement. Okay, then in this case, where we can see these folders over here, where we are having these folders, how can we create our own folders? We'll see practically in this case. Now, in this case, whenever if you are going to be sending some email notifications to the required people, in order to send that email notification, whatever the subject, whatever the content you want to deliver, instead of preparing that subject and content at the time of sending, first of all, we can prepare it here. Okay, we can ready with the email template. In that email template, we can specify what subject and what content you want to deliver. Just to prepare that template, and then in future, whenever if you want to send the notification, use that template to send the notification to the people to whomever you want. For that one, in order to send the email notifications to the required people, we are using that email templates feature or communication templates feature. So upon creating these email templates, we are having the two folders are available, two types of folders, standard folders and then custom folders. Standard folders means what? Salesforce has given so many ready-made folders to you in which we can able to store your email templates also. Because every email template should be getting resides inside a folder. To differentiate that email templates from application to application, module to module, division to division, we are going to be creating that various folders here. So by default, Salesforce has given two types of folders, standard and custom. As part of standard, we are having two folders are available, unfiled classic public email templates. Second one is my personal email templates folder. And apart from that, if you want to create your own application specific folders, then we can create your own folders also, depends upon your requirement. But this creating these folders will be having the permission only to the developer or administrator. Other people can't create their own email templates folders inside your organization. Okay. Now, in this case, where we can see this email template folders information. Now, for that one, go to that setup menu. Go to the administrator menu in the left panel. Click on communication templates and click on classic email templates. Click on classic email templates. Okay. Now, so in this case, we can go with this navigation and we can able to see, okay, what folders are available. Okay, in Salesforce by default, we can able to verify this information. Now, and how to create our own folder. Now, let's see practically. Let's go to your Salesforce instance. Go to the administrator menu in the left panel. Go to the administrator menu. We have an option called as communication templates. Inside this communication templates, we have an option called as classic email templates. We have an option called as classic email templates. Click on this option in order to see what email templates are available over here. Click on classic email templates. Now it is indicating that here what folders are available. So now it is indicating that option. On the top of that page, you will be having that folders information. What folders are available inside my organization, I would like to verify that here. Now, for example, here, whenever I'm going to be looking into the folders here, it will be indicating like as, okay, a pick list. There you are having that folder names are available here. By default, Salesforce has given the two folders over here. Unfiled public classic email templates folder. Second one is the my personal email templates folder. So now in this case, my personal email templates folder in the sense whatever the email templates I have placed inside this my personal folder, these can be accessible only by myself, not the other people over here. Only the owner can able to access. But if you are placing these email templates inside this folder, like as a public folder, that can be accessible by all the users inside the organization. These are the two ready-made folders which has been given by Salesforce by default. Suppose if you want to maintain your own folders, then you can click on create new folder button here. Okay, we are having an option called as create new folder button. I want to create a new folder button over here. I'm creating a new folder. Specify the folder name. I'm indicating like as now story pulse templates of folder. Okay, story pulse templates of folder. I want to make this folder access as read write. So now what folders what templates you would like to place inside this? I haven't created any for email templates right now over here. I want to make this folder can be accessible to only few users also. Nothing but which users can access this email template folder. You can discuss, you can identify that, and we can grant the permission also. This folder is accessible by all the users. That means you want to make it accessible to all the people, or you want to hide from all the people, or you want to make it visible to only some specific group of people itself. We can indicate over here. I want to make it visible to all the people over here. For that one, for example, I'm indicating that this folder is accessible by all the users. Now click on save button. Once you click on save, automatically a folder has been created successfully to you. So now previously we have two, now we have created one more over here. For example, I am creating one more folder, create new folder. Now, so now HR process templates a folder. HR process templates a folder. I want to make it as a read write, and then this template should not be visible to everyone. That means this folder should not be visible to all the people. It has to be hide from all the people. That means only myself can able to see that email templates folder. Now click on save. So now two folders we have created. So now two we have created, two have been given by Salesforce. Like that depends upon your requirement. You can create your own application specific or the module specific folders also. Okay, that possibility is available to you. Okay, like that, n number of folders you can create inside this email template folders over here. Okay, clear? In this case, whenever I'm selecting this folder, automatically the respective email templates will be getting visible over here. Now, when you go to that email templates, we have two categories of email templates are available in Salesforce. Okay, whenever we are using that email templates, we have two categories of email templates. You know that what are those two? Standard and custom. That's it. Standard email templates. Second one is the custom email templates. These are the two categories of email templates are available. Standard email templates and the custom email templates. What do you mean by standard email templates? Ready-made templates which has been given by Salesforce. Okay. Now, so these are the ready-made templates here. Ready-made templates provided by Salesforce. Okay. These are the ready-made templates provided by Salesforce. Custom email templates means now we need to create that here. Okay. Now, as a developer or as an administrator, we can create our own email templates. We can create our own email templates to be used to send the email notifications to the users. In order to send the email notification to the people, we can create our own email templates, which are called as custom email templates. As part of folders also, we are having 2 types. As part of email templates also, we are having 2 types. Okay. As part of email templates, we are having 2 types of email templates are available. That means 2 categories, standard and the custom. Standard means what? Ready-made email templates which has been given by Salesforce. Custom email templates means what? Which we are going to create as part of our business requirement. As part of your application requirement, we can create our own email templates with our own subject, with our own content to be get delivered to the recipient people. Done? Now. So now here in this case, let's see where we can see that ready-made email templates which has been given by Salesforce. In order to see that email templates, just to go to that classic email templates, now select the folder here. So as of now, we haven't created any email templates. When you select this HR process template folder, nothing is there. This table is empty. If I'm selecting the story pulse templates folder, this is also empty. There is no email templates inside this folder. When I select my personal, this is also empty. No templates available. When I select unfiled public classic email templates folder, here we are having so many templates are available. Now tell me who has given these templates? Have we created all this one? No. This has been given by whom? Salesforce. Okay, by default, Salesforce has given so many email templates over here. Like for example, here, let's see. Now, so now for example, take an email template here. So now the support related, nothing but service related application template. Case created. That means whenever a new case has been getting created, okay. So now, whenever a new case has been getting created by making a phone call, then to notify to the customer, we are going to be using this notification template over here. Suppose if you want to see what subject, what content they are going to deliver, just click on this email template. We can see the subject and the content over here. Now it is indicating dear contact person name. So now thank you for contacting us, okay, with your inquiry. So now with reference to with your inquiry case, the case number has been getting created successfully. This is the case number. This is the subject of your case here. Okay, we look forward to speaking with you soon. That means here one of our service person will contact you shortly. So this is the username, this is the contact number, this is the phone number of that person. This is from the so-and-so organization. We are sending that email notification over here. Like that, they are sending some subject, they are sending some notification over here. Okay, this is the subject of that email and this is the content of that email over here, which they are going to specify both. Like that, by default, Salesforce has given so many ready-made email templates to you, which we can able to use, depends upon our application requirement also. Now, in this case here, whenever a case has been getting escalated, at that time, they are going to be sending the notification with the help of escalated case notification template, a separate template they are going to be using over here. So now after that here, whenever a case record has been getting created through the inquiry, phone inquiry is the notification. If the case has been created by using the web inquiry, that means the web to case option. At that time, this is the template they would like to use over here. If a case has been isn't a person, service person, then this is the notification they would like to use to send that notification template. That means what? The different types of templates they have configured over here. Each email template will be having a different subject, different content will be available, which is used to send the notification to that service people or to the sales people, whatever, or to whomever you want to send that notification over here. Okay. So now in this case, these are the various ready-made templates has been given by Salesforce by default. But in some cases, whatever the email templates has been given by Salesforce, these are not sufficient. Okay, these are not sufficient. I want some more. I want some more email templates over here. Then what we can do? At that time, depends upon your requirement, we can create our own email templates also, which are called as custom email templates. Okay, which are called as custom email templates here. Custom email templates in the sense what? These are the email templates which are created by the developer or administrator. According to the business requirement, according to the application requirement, the developer or the administrator can create their own email templates which are called as custom email templates. Okay, clear? Now, so now here in this case here, now you got that whole information of that email templates. What do you mean by email template? Email template is nothing but a draft or a template which contains the subject of the email and the content of the email, which is used to send the notification to the required people. To the customers also, partners also, end users also, employees also, to anybody we can send the notification with the required subject and the content, so that we are preparing the draft that is called as email template. Okay. Now, by using that email template, we can send the email notifications to the required people based on that email ID. Based on the email ID, we can send the email notifications to one or more number of people also. So each email template contains two things. One is email subject, second one is email content. That means email body. What subject you want to deliver, what content you want to deliver. So every email template contains two things, email subject and the email content. Now whenever I'm creating that email templates, all the email templates will be getting resides inside that email template object. Email template is a standard object in which all the email templates information will be getting resides. So whenever I'm storing the email templates inside that email template object, Salesforce has given the flexibility that not only storing the email templates in a single object, depends upon your requirement, we can segregate that email templates to the various small pieces also by creating your own folders. So that whenever I am storing any of the email template, every email template has to be get resides inside a folder that is called as email template folder. When coming to the Salesforce, we have two types of email template folders are available. First one is standard, second one is custom. By default, Salesforce is giving two folders to you by default. Along with that, we can create our own folders also according to our application requirement. Okay. So whenever you are creating that email template, we have to select in which folder that email template has to be get stored. Okay. Upon creating that email template, we have to select in which folder this email template has to be get resides. Now, in this case, when you go to the email templates, we are having two types of email templates are available. That means two categories. First one is standard, which has been given by Salesforce by default. So that as part of my Salesforce CRM application, Salesforce has given so many ready-made email templates, which are called as standard email templates. According to your business requirement, we can create our own templates also, which are called as custom email templates over here. Okay, custom email templates. Now, whenever you are creating your own email template here, okay, if I'm creating that email template, whenever you are creating your own email template, so now that means upon creating the custom email templates, we have four types of email templates in Salesforce. Okay, we have four types of email templates. We have four types of email templates. The first one is text templates, that is also called as the plain text email templates. Second one is HTML by using letterhead. Third one is custom without using letterhead. Fourth one is Visual Force templates. These are the 4 types of email templates are available in Salesforce. First one is plain text type of template. Second one, HTML by using letterhead. Third one is custom without using letterhead. Fourth one, Visual Force email template. These are the 4 types of email templates available in Salesforce. So whenever we are creating that email template, we have to select any one of these templates from these 4, either text type or HTML or custom or Visual Force. Then what do you mean by text type of email template over here? What do you mean by text type of email template here? For example, let me show you practically. So every day, I'm receiving so many email notifications from different organizations. So now here I have received that so many email notifications from different organizations over here. Okay. Now, for example, over here, assume that let me open an email notification which I have received. So I have received one email notification over here. So this is the subject of that email notification, like as alert, total annual revenue batch job status notification. This is the ID of that batch job, and this is the email content over here. Now tell me, this is looking like as what? Is it a plain text, or do we have any pictures, images, colors? Okay, attractive look and feel for this one. It's purely a plain text. Whenever, if you want to send the email notifications, where if the email content will be in the form of a plain text, then we can go with that plain text type of email templates. By using this plain text type of email template, we can able to send the email notifications to the people with the plain text format. That means here, email content will be purely in the form of a plain text format over here. Okay, email content will be purely in the form of a plain text format. It doesn't have any attractive look and feel. It doesn't have any pictures, images, animations, colors, font styles, alignments, formatting options, nothing. Simply like as a normal notepad content. White background, black text. That's it. Okay, the entire content is in the same format over here. The same font, same size, same color, same, because the background color also here. There's no different. We can't highlight something over here. So now in this case, what happened? Whenever if you want to send the email notification in the plain text type of format, then we can go with that plain text type of email template. Okay? Now, in this case, here, make a note. Now, it is used to send the email notifications to the required people with the plain text format of email content. Okay. The content doesn't include any images, pictures, attractive look and feel, nothing. Content doesn't have anything over here. It's like simply like as a normal notepad content. White background and the black text. That's it. So in this case, whenever I'm sending the email notification in the form of a plain text format, then will the people will show interest to look into my email content? No. because it is not looking giving like as any attractive looking feel. It is not looking like rich. It is not providing any attractive looking feel, so that the people won't show interest to look into my email content over here. Even though it may be useful, but the people won't show interest. Why? Because it is not looking that much of attractive. So it is not capturing the attention of the customer over here. For that one, what I want to do is, I would like to do some makeup for this particular content over here, so that this content will look like attractive. For that one here, whenever I'm going to be making that email content look like attractive, for that one, what I want to do is, I want to prepare a letterhead. Okay, I want to prepare a letterhead. So I would like to have a letterhead over here. I would like to prepare a letterhead, where the letterhead will be looking like this. You will be having that letterhead. In this letterhead, you will be having the header part. You will be having that footer part. And then this will be the content part over here. In this header part, I would like to place an image over here. Okay. On the top of this particular header part, okay. So now at the left side, I would like to place one small image over here. Company logo. I would like to place the logo of the organization over here. Okay. I would like to place a logo of the organization on the header part. So this is the footer part. In this footer part, I would like to show a small image of my company over here. A different logo. For that company, I would like to have a different logo. I would like to have a different logo, and here I would like to have some address of that organization, where exactly the company is available, what is the contact number, what is the address, what is the website, everything I would like to place inside this. And this is the actual content part. Here I would like to place the content. Now, for example, if I am placing this content inside this particular letterhead, how the content will look like? Will it be looking like attractive or not? Yes. Because here I am placing some images over here. I'm placing some colors. Okay. So now in this case here, whenever I'm going to placing that content inside this particular the template, nothing but the content part, it will be giving the attractive looking feel for my email content, so that the people can show some interest to look into my content also. For that reason, to make that email content look like attractive, whatever the content you would like to deliver, that content I'm going to be embedding inside that letterhead over here. Okay. Now, in this case, if you want to use that letterheads as a background to send the email notification, then we can able to use that template type called as HTML. Then in this case, you can raise a question, sir, how can we get this letterhead? This letterhead also we need to prepare. How? Within the Salesforce itself over here. Okay? Within Salesforce itself, we need to prepare the letterheads over here. Like, here you will be having the option called as classic letterheads. You can prepare your own letterheads, also depends upon your requirement also, by placing the header part, content part, and the footer part over here. Okay, you can design that. Now, so in this case, for example, let me show. Let me take any one of this. Now, let's see. For example, here, this is one email notification I have received here, okay, from Bharati AXA. So now in this case here, so now we have received that email notification, okay, from this Bharati AXA life insurance, okay, regarding the insurance for the travel journey, okay, for the train ticket here. So now whenever we are going to be reserving a train ticket, there is an option here, okay, that you want to make this travel journey as insured. You want to take the insurance for this travel also here, okay. So in this case here, you can able to claim that, suppose for example, whenever I'm traveling through train, if the train is met with an accident at that time here, we can able to reimburse that amount also here, okay, from the insurance company. So that here, you will be having the option, upon reserving the train ticket, you are having an option, you want to select the app for that insurance or not here. If you select that, they will be charging some 50 paisa, okay, not more than that, 50 paisa only, 49 paisa max, okay. So now with that 49 paisa, they are going to be giving that 4 lakhs of insurance to you. Okay. So now here in this case here. So in this case, whenever I'm reserving the ticket, if I'm selecting the insurance I want for this travel journey also, then automatically they will be charging some 49 paisa from the amount, and then they are going to be This is preparing the insurance policy also for me here. So now at that time, they are going to be sending that insurance policy information to me. So in this case, they are indicating that whole information over here. They are providing all the details also. We can able to get the whole information as well, documentations and everything will be available. So where they are specifying the information, whatever they would like to deliver. Whatever the information they would like to deliver, they're specifying inside the letterhead. Where they're having that header part, they're having this content part is available over here. It is having the footer part also inside this. In the footer part, they're specifying the disclaimer information over here, nothing but copyrights information inside this over here. Now, in this case, what happened? Now, whatever the content they would like to deliver to you, they're embedding that content inside that letterhead over here. Because so that it will be giving some attractive look and feel for your content, so that the people can look into the content at least. Okay? Now, for example, let me take one more here. Now, so I'm receiving that some information from the Axis Bank. So in this case, regarding that monthly statement, or it may be quarterly also. So now they're indicating that some information, they're sending some notifications. But at that time, I'm going to be receiving that information in the form of a letterhead format. So there they're indicating that on the header part, they're having the Axis Bank logo, and then they're placing some content. They're giving the information, whatever they are going to discuss with me. At the last, they will be having that footer part also over there. They're going to be indicating that the company name and the disclaimer information is available. That means what? Upon sending that notification, no need to make it as a plain text format. If you're making it as a plain text format, then it won't give that much of attractive look and feel to the customers. So that to make that user in the email content look like attractive, we are going to be using some letterheads also. So we can prepare our own letterheads, and those letterheads we can able to use upon preparing that or upon sending that email notification templates also. Okay? Clear? For example, so let me show one small option. See, so like that here we can send the notifications also. We can prepare our own letterhead also by placing some images at the header part, at the footer part also. We can send the email notification. That means here whatever the content that you want, we can include this content also inside this, the content part over here. And we can send the notification to the people so that it will be giving some attractive look and feel for your email content also, so that the people can spend some time, they will look into your email content also. Okay, that possibility is available. So this is how, in order to send that notification to the people, we can able to make that email content will be look like attractive with the help of by embedding that content inside that the letterhead format over here. How to prepare this letterhead, we'll see practically also. Okay. This is the second format of email template here. Okay, HTML content. Okay. Now make a note. By using this approach, we can prepare the email template by embedding the email content inside the letterhead. By embedding the email content inside the letterhead. By embedding the email content inside the letterhead. Next, third one, custom type of email template. The custom type of email template. Then what do you mean by this custom type of email template over here? Now let's see practically in this case. Okay. Now, for example here, assume that I'm using that email template over here. Let me take this kind of template over here. Now, for example, I'm having that email template like this here. So this is the email template, assume that I'm preparing that one. I want to use this entire email template to be used to send to the notification to the people. To whom you want to send the email notification? To the various peoples. For example, so we have a customer, okay, who is working in a banking organization. Okay, so we have a customer who is working in a banking organization. This is the bank network. Okay, this is the bank network. They're having so many systems has been connected. So many systems has been connected to that banking network over here. So now we have one customer is available to whom I would like to send that email notification over here. So there is a customer. There is a customer to whom I want to send a notification. My customer's email ID is samram@some ICICIbank.com. He is working in a banking organization. Banking networks are very, very restricted networks. So now I have prepared this email content over here. So now this is the letterhead. This is the actual content which I am going to deliver to the people, and this is the photo information. The whole email template I am going to be delivering to the person over here. Whenever I am sending this email notification to the bank network, in this case, inside this email image, inside this letterhead image, do we have any viruses then? It may be having some virus also. Or whatever the content I am going to deliver, in that content you may be having some virus also. There might be some possibilities are there. In this case, when coming to the banking systems here, each and every banking system is going to be protecting by a network over here. Sorry? Every banking system is going to be protecting by a protection system that is called as firewalls. They will be having that firewalls are available here. They will be having some firewalls are available, which is going to be keep on tracking the email notification. Whenever if you want to send some information, that means if any data is coming into the network, if any data is going from this network, automatically it has to pass through the firewall itself. The firewall will be tracking this whole information also. Okay, the firewall is tracking this whole information also. For that one here, because to protect this banking network from the unauthorized people, from the hackers, they are going to be installing these kind of firewalls. In this case, upon sending this email notification to my banking network customer email ID, at that time, first of all, this email notification will be passing through the firewall. The firewall will not be allowing us to send the email notification. Why? Because first of all, the email notification will be starting in the firewall system itself. Now it will do the necessary verification. What are the content that we have? In that content, do we have any malicious softwares are available or not? That means some viruses. What are the images that you are attached inside this letterhead, whether these images are having any viruses or not. They'll be verifying this whole information. If the whole information has been getting verified, then only, if there is no viruses are available, then only the email notification will be sending to that corresponding customer's email ID over here. If there is any malicious softwares are available, if there is any viruses are available, which will be making some harm to that bank network, at that time, it won't allow you to send that email notification. It will be preventing you to send the notification there itself with the firewalls. So in this case, what happened here, whenever I'm sending some large content of data through the email notification, the firewalls won't allow. For that reason here, instead of sending that email notification by using some letterhead, I would like to send the notification, okay, by using that HTML format. For that one, they have indicated one more format called as custom without using letterhead. That means what? Without using the letterhead, I want to send the email notification. Now you can raise a question, sir, without using letterhead means only the plain text format only. But I don't want to send the plain text format. I want to apply some fonts, some colors, style, size. I want to apply all this formatting option for my content. For that one, we are using that HTML programming. We are using that HTML programming here. So that without using any letterhead also, we can send the notification to the people by making that email content look like attractive with the help of HTML programming. For that one, we are using that custom. Custom means what? Without using letterhead, just by using that HTML programming itself, we can do that. Okay? Now make a note over here. In this approach, we can send the email notifications to the required people with the required subject and content by making the subject and content attractive with the help of HTML programming. With the help of HTML programming. Then what HTML tags we need to use, we'll discuss about this, okay, email templates as part of this custom email template type. We'll see those HTML tags also. How to use those tags and how to make that email content look like attractive, how to change the font, how to change the size and the color and the hyperlinks, everything we can able to add inside this. The next one, Visual Force. By using Visual Force programming also, we can send the email notification to the required people as well here. Okay? By using Visual Force programming also, we can send the email notifications to the required people. By using Visual Force programming also, we can send the email notification to the required people. Okay. These are the 4 types of email templates are available when coming to a Salesforce instance. Okay. Now, upon sending that email notification to the people, we can create our own template. Upon creating our own template, we have to select that any one of these 4. Either plain text type, HTML, custom, visual force. Like when you try to create a new email template inside your Salesforce instance, when you try to create a new email template, click on new template button. Now it is providing these 4 options. From these 4, okay, what type of email template you would like to create? Is it you want to create a text type, HTML by using that letterhead, custom without using letterhead, and the 4th one visual force. These are the 4 types of templates are available. How to prepare this email template by using each and every type, we'll see in tomorrow's session. Okay? In tomorrow's session, we'll see how to send the email notification in the form of text. There I would like to show you 2 scenarios. How to send the static subject, static content. How to send dynamic subject, dynamic content also by using merge field concept over here. Okay?